Doing science is fascinating. You have the opportunity to propose your own ideas and strategies to try to solve a problem, or to contribute to fill a knowledge gap for further development of science and technology. As the ultimate goal of this is to understand ourselves and the things around us, as well as to improve the life quality of society, it implies an honest and well-organized research process. And you know it, this implies a lot of work. Now, imagine having these awesome objectives, finding the ways to reach them, obtain incredible results, and then keeping them in your lab book or sharing them with the scientific community in a research paper that is presented in a way that doesn't really emphasize the importance and impact of your research work findings. Seems unfair, and it is. This is why it is important to take the time to prepare ourselves to obtain the scientific writing skills required, not only for our own benefit, but for science development. Join us for the first plenary lecture and workshop of the BioNTERM online conference to find out how to communicate science more effectively.